Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us explore the relation between the independence of events and the probabilities conditioned on complementary events. That is, we want to prove that when probability of an event A conditioned on event B is equal to the probability of A conditioned on its complement, that is B complement, then we want to prove that A and B are independent. That is, this should imply that A and B are independent. So let us prove this theorem. So given that the conditional probability of A given B is equal to probability of A given B complement, we can use the definitions of conditional probability and proceed as follows. That is, probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So this is the definition of conditional probability. And then using this similar definition, we have probability of A intersection B complement divided by probability of B complement. Now since probability of B complement is equal to 1 minus probability of B, we can rewrite this expression as, or this equation as, probability of A intersection B multiplied by 1 minus probability of B divided by probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B complement. This basically means that probability of A given B, that is the conditional probability A given B, that is the first ratio, is equal to the probability of A intersection B complement plus and the second term, that is probability of A intersection B, by simply taking the second term over here. So, but this is by definition equal to probability of A, since B and B complement, because of the complements. So probability of A given B, that is the conditional probability, is equal to the original probability, that is unconditional probability. Therefore, by using the definition again, we have probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, which is the property of independent events, that is A and B are independent. That is, when the probability of event A is condition on the event B is equal to probability of event A condition on B complement, then A and B are independent. Thanks for watching.